Hey guys, back I'm here, just Jacob back to welcome. If you're new here, my name is Jacob and this is my YouTube channel and welcome. Okay, so today I got a Ailexpress package. You see, took out the name, my address. You guys don't know where I am. Okay, let's open this together. So, yeah, it's hard to open with one hand. Let's see if I can do this with a knife. Ah, hold on. I'll get a new, a phone stand, phone holder for my neck when that comes in tomorrow. So, when I do my next YouTube video, I don't have to use my hands to do it. I just hold on my neck. Okay, let me show you what it comes with. Okay, so you see here, hold on. As you see here, we have this. It's the printer's traveling case. And here's the printer. Case and some case. And Despicable Me stickers with a carrying case. 3 color paper, some stickable paper, some paper. As you see, let me open this real quick. Show you all what it looks like. Okay. So yes, I had to buy a new one because my other one was pink. So I had to go back on Ailexpress and got a blue one. My favorite color, by the way. Oh yeah, if you guys wanna bring me or send me gifts if you want anything blue, and especially Dr. Pepper. I especially love Dr. Pepper. Okay, let me see. Okay, I'm gonna have my brother hold the camera. I'm gonna switch. Okay. Let's see. I'm gonna let my brother hold the camera. Okay. Daniel, hold it. Okay. Put on the case. Chemical case. Hold on. It might be hard trying to put it on, but if you move it a bit, fits like a glove. Sorry if you hear all that background. There's it's nighttime in my city where I am right now, in my home, and when it gets nighttime, it gets noisy. So if you hear a noise, don't worry, nothing smack. Okay, so you can do this. Then I'm going to put on my GPS so in case I lose this, I have it. This is the charger, and then is the manual on how to set it up. Well, crunch, I don't know why. And that's it. Okay, so I'm going to now put everything in the box in carrying case. Let's put that there. Huh? And of course, you always need these extra those in there, probably the manual. You just sit that all right up. And you carry it like that. Okay, so now I'll put on the Despicable Me stickers. And that's how it is right now. Oh, don't mind these. I'm just gonna take these off. I don't know what these stickers are, but I'll do that. Just take those off. Take these stickers off. Okay, and there's my little printer. Okay, thank you. And in a few hours, I'm going to open my second order in a few minutes, in a few hours. Okay, thank you.